Thank you for joining us today, and we will get going. All right, here we are. Feel free to ask your questions at any time, and let's get going. So we're going to talk about backup to cloud providers. So let me start with like a few common words, and we're talking about an application that probably resides somewhere hosted in the cloud or on the web server that is far, far away. And what you want to do, you want to automate your backups. You want to back up your files just in case, and you want to back up your database. And besides just making those backups in some folder on the same web server, if something happens with them, you're going to lose your backups. So we want to backup files, backup databases, and we want to upload them to a different location. And in this example, we will be using Wasabi. So you guys know that we do support multiple cloud providers for uploading files, images, etc. Wasabi one of them, and it's easy to use. It's compatible API-wise. It's like 99% compatible with Amazon S3. It's just cheaper. So we are going to use this in this example, and we're also working on something that we call the Cloud API. It's mostly ready. I would say it's ready, but we need to fully test it, and we need to include it into PHP Runner and ASP.NET. It is not included yet, so I cannot use it in this project yet. I will use what you have, so you can fully test it. So just take a look at this code, for instance, right? So we get in a cloud provider, and then we specify, populate a bunch of variables, and then we upload the file and get the file name back. When a cloud API will be available, it will be significantly less code. So instead of these 6 lines of code, there will be a single line. So all this useful stuff will be hidden from you, and it will be something that is much, much easier to use. But this is what we have right now, and I want to give you something that is already working, and I want to make it practical. So just a couple of more words about how upload to cloud providers work in our application. So you need to, I have specified one of the fields as a file image in our database, in our project. And I have selected, so it's categories and field name file right here. And edit as is file image, and I'm choosing Wasabi as a cloud provider, and I'm specifying access keys here. So you can see the stuff, and you need to specify the same in your project. Not the same, obviously you need to create your own keys here. Okay, well, once you have specified this, it can be any field in any table. The idea is to create, so the PHP Runner knows how to upload files to Wasabi, because all that data will be reused in all functions that we have. And I have created a separate file. I have created a custom, under custom files, I have created a folder named backup and placed a file named backup.php here. So let's proceed step by step, and we will figure out like what, how can we build on top of that, something on top of that. Okay. So first step, let's work with just files. So for now, just for test purposes, I'm backing up all the files in the output folder. Probably you don't need that. You don't need to back up PHP files that were generated. Probably you want to back up some other files that, I don't know, that can be lost, that you cannot rebuild again. But for this test project, I'm backing up everything that is in the output folder. So let me just show how it works, what I have already created, and we can, okay, let's take a look at what's in this folder. So that's our output folder, a bunch of PHP files. What I have created is a backup folder, and backup PHP file is what we're talking about right here. And file, this is what I was testing already. So let me delete this, and I'll show you how it works. Do I have it somewhere? Yes, I do. So this results of my previous run. And so, right, so that's, I haven't, okay, yeah. So that's our main application. And since I have created folder named backup and file named backup, so this is how I launch it. So again, we're not going to launch it manually. The idea is to show you how you can automate it, but that's what we have here. So I'm launching this file manually for now. It should and will create a file name. Okay, let's take another look. So that's our backup folder, and you can see that zip, it's roughly in the range of 10 megabytes, and it was just created 1109. It's right here. And let's take a look at what is at our Wasabi bucket. So this is it. So I have created a new bucket, and you can see files .zip was uploaded, and its size is 10 megabytes roughly, and it was just created. So that's our file. If we try and upload it again, let's do it I just want to show you like while like we're doing things. So let's okay. I will go ahead and delete that zip file, files.zip, because this zip routine, it does not understand that file already exists. So I will like we will change this. I just want to show you what happens if we upload it to Wasabi one more time. So what I need to do, I just need to reload the file, execute it again. It will create a zip file again, and it will upload it to Wasabi. And you can see that file name is different this time. And why is that? Because this is how Wasabi works by default. Let's reload it. If you try to upload the file that already exists, it will do something similar to what we do in our PHP Runner and ASP.NET. It will create a postfix saving that file name. So it's not very meaningful, but the idea is to keep the previous file intact. So I think that the first step of what we need to do, we probably want to create a zip file with a meaningful name, so we can add maybe a year, day, month, and day to file name. That will solve both problems, and it will be easier to understand when specific file was uploaded. So let's start with that.